How to fix Temu not accepting my card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the exact way how you can fix Temu not accepting your card. So for that, make sure that you are running the latest version or latest upgraded version of Temu application in your smartphone. So you can check it through your Play Store. Just go to your Play Store and go to the profile icon, and from there just go to manage apps and device, and just click on manage again and just go to updates available, and now just scroll down and see if Temu is in this list. As you can see that Temu is not updates available or pending updates for my application. That means that I'm running the latest version of my Temu application, and if you see that you're not running the latest version or your update is pending on the Temu application, just go ahead and do that, and that might fix your problem. If that doesn't fix your problem, just go to the Temu application and just open it. Now just go to the profile icon from the bottom, and here just click on the support icon right beside the settings icon, and now you have to click on contact us, and here you can type the problem that you're facing with Temu not accepting your card, and you can write something along the line that I am not been able to use, and you can write something along the line that I'm not been able to use my credit card or any other card that you're using in my Temu application while placing an order, and the Temu support team will reach out to you and help you with this particular issue that you're facing. So I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.